Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. My name is Ashmita and in today's class we are going to talk about the subject of sociology, like how to prepare sociology if you have chosen it as your optional paper or as your optional subject in WBCS means optional stage. Now, we all know that if we are choosing any optional paper, that is for the mains stage. Like if you qualify in the prelims stage of WBCS, then only you are getting the chance of going to this mains round and you can sit for your optional subject, your own chosen subject. So mostly you don't get this chance where you can choose your own subject. But here you are getting the chance of selecting your own optional subject on which you will be given two papers. If you are choosing sociology, you have to give two optional papers. Both would be descriptive, and for that you need to have prior knowledge of the subject. Without having good knowledge of the subject, you won't be able to write much in the descriptive paper. So that's why I would recommend you that choose sociology only if you have knowledge of that subject, or if you have studied that subject in your own, or if you have studied that subject in your school days or in your graduation or college days. So let us talk about this subject of sociology, why it can be chosen as an optional subject for WBCS mains. Now this optional subject, whatever optional subject you are choosing, it plays a very crucial role in deciding the rank of candidates in the WBCS examination. And sociology as an optional subject has already turned out to be a vital part of general studies paper as well as in the optional paper in the civil services mains examinations. The sociology is considered to be one of the easiest optional paper which is chosen by the candidates every year, because candidates feel that they can score a lot in this paper itself than when compared to the other papers. One similarity of this paper with the other papers is that this paper or this subject also has two papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. Now paper 1 of sociology deals with the fundamentals of sociology, whereas paper 2 of sociology optional deals with the Indian society, its structure and the different changes in the society. Here I'm going to recommend you certain books that you can buy for sociology paper 1. Now for sociology paper 1 you can buy this book Sociology by Anthony Giddens. You can also buy sociology book by Harlombos and Holborn. You can also buy Sociological Thought book by Francis Abraham and John Henry Morgan. You can also buy Political Theory by O.P. Gauba. For paper 2 in sociology optional subject, you can buy Social Change in India book by M.N. Srinivas. You can also buy Modernization of Indian Tradition. This book is written by Yogendra Singh. You can also buy this book. And you can also buy Handbook of Indian Sociology by Veena Das. You can also buy Indian Society and Culture by Nadeem Hasnain. You might also buy Rural Sociology by Doshi and Jain. Another book that you can buy on this paper is Social Background of Indian Nationalism by A.R. Desai. Now there are certain sociology books on India also that you can go through, or you can just prepare yourselves from. And those books include Ram Ahuja's Society in India. You can buy this book. You can also buy another book by Ram Ahuja, that is Social Problems in India. Here, let me remind you once again, I have recommended these two books by Ram Ahuja. These two books are based on Indian sociology, okay? So you can buy these. Apart from that, you can also go through IGNOU notes. That is Indira Gandhi National Open University notes, if you can get handy of those notes. Especially for thinkers and topic on Indian system, you can go through those. You can also get hold of this book, that is Caste, it's 20th Century Avatar by M.N. Srinivas. You can also buy this book Participation as Freedom by Amartya Sen and G. Andres. Another book by Y. Singh is Modernization of Indian Tradition. You can buy this also. Once again, another book by Y Singh you can buy is Social Tradition in India. You can also buy Tribal India by L.P. Vidyarthi. You can also buy Social Structure by M.N. Srinivas. You can also buy a book named Yojana, which is based on Independence Day Special 2001 on the population. So that was my entire recommendation. If you want to secure good marks in your examination and if you want to seriously qualify in that stage and go over to the next round, then you need the guidance of a good mentor and a good coach. And here at Services Classes, we provide you with that guidance. We provide you with live lectures, recorded lectures portal access, which is available to the enrolled candidates 24/7, and they can go through those lectures again and again whenever they want to. And if you want to go through these doubt clearing sessions, revision classes, you can also join for those. We also provide you with mock test facilities, scholarship facilities, crash course facilities. We also provide you with solutions to the unsolved papers, previous year's question papers, sample papers. Our study materials are already available on Amazon and Flipkart. You can buy from there also if you want to, and if you buy from our institution directly, then you just have to give us a call. And let me tell you, here we teach for all kinds of competitive examinations, and all kinds of entrance-based examination preparations are done. So if you are preparing for some other entrance examinations also, then also here we are going to provide you with study materials and also guidance. So even if you are preparing for some university based entrance or some job recruitment preparation, exam preparation you are doing, then also our teachers will provide you guidance if you enroll yourselves. So that was all about our classes, and that was all for today's class also. And for more details of our classes, you can go over to the description box below, and there you will get our contact details. Do give us a call so that we can just clear all your doubts. You can also go through the link which is given in the description box. That's the website link, official website link to Services Classes. You can go over to that link, and you can also enroll from there if you want to. Or if you want to know more about our classes, you can definitely go and visit the official website to have more knowledge of our classes. So that was all about today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.